Hello everybody, I'm back out here fishing for chub and bluegill, and I just got here and I got into my first one. They're all spawning and I'm just being able to throw into one place and get them over and over and over again. But here we go. There he goes. First chub of the day. He's small, but as I said the other day, last time I was out here, these are probably the prettiest fish in here, even prettier than the trout. But as you can see, oops. I'll get back to you when I'm getting ready to release him. Here we go. He's gonna fly off. Ready? Yep, there he goes. Alive and well. Another little bluegill. Yeah, they're all spawning out here, and they're literally in the exact same place as the chub minnows are. So we're gonna release him. Woo! I got this guy off his spawning bed, which probably was a little mean, but I mean, I wasn't throwing there. So, he's one of the bigger ones. It's sad when that's considered big to you. Tee-hee. But yeah, we're going to let him go. His bed's right over there by that tree, and I'm going to see if he'll go back. Nope, he went the wrong way. Went the wrong way. Oh well. Yeah, he'll... Got another one near the spawning beds. He's there's another real pretty little bluegill. But we're gonna let him go. Hopefully get back to his babies. He's okay. One more. Oops. One more on it.